Hey there, welcome back. It's Coach Danya here. Like and subscribe below. Today we are talking about automating your monthly payments. So this is a topic where I hope that will alleviate some stress for you, because it definitely has in my own life. And I find that once I automate all my monthly payments, I have a streamlined process and I only really have to take care of one payment at the end of the month, and that's my credit card bill or, funding my bank accounts. And we'll get into it. As you know, I'm Danya. I'm your financial literacy coach, and I'm excited to share this journey with you. Let's get started. So first, what are some benefits of automating your monthly payments? It helps keep your life running smoothly, so there's no interruption and there's no threat of missed payments. For example, you won't open your Netflix app and it won't say, hey, you need to make a payment, or your utilities won't go out because you forgot to pay your electric bill. So that's not going to happen when you automate your payments. In addition, some organizations do have a late fee penalty, and that can get pricey. It's up to $20. I've seen it $20, $35 more for missed payments, even if you pay the next day when they send you that reminder. So this is just a way to avoid any of those late payment penalties. Just looking at my notes here. So next, we automate the payments. When we automate them, we're going to automate them to your credit card or to your bank statement. And what this would do is funnel it to one source where at the end of the month, you only have to focus on paying off that one credit card bill or funding that one account so that account can feed all your other bills. Less brain power to use, which I think is very helpful. So let's talk about credit cards. For me, everything I can put on a credit card, I do, because one, I get the benefit, and two, I pay it off at the end of the month. So everything I can put to my credit card, all my subscriptions, utilities, so internet, water, sewage, all goes to HOA fees, all goes to my credit card. Gym memberships, subscriptions, streaming, Spotify, Pandora, Netflix, Hulu, all goes to credit card. Insurance, car insurance, health insurance is paid by my employer, but anything I put on a credit card, I put on a credit card. I get the points back, and then it's also just one place that I don't have to worry about funding until the end of the month when I pay my credit card off. So with that being said, I also ensure that I put on my credit card a minimum $35, so the minimum payment. So when the bill comes due, I pay that right away, just so I don't get hit with a credit card payment fee as I organize my funds to pay off the month's subscriptions. Okay. So on the other side, if something does not take credit card, your rent, your mortgage, sometimes your insurance, these organizations, some utility companies don't take credit card, or they charge a 3% fee. And you might not want to charge the 3% fee. It might not be worth it because for whatever reason, 3% is pretty steep. So you'd prefer to pay directly from your bank account or with a debit card. So what you can do is have a separate bank account for payments of all your expenses. And with this, what you can do is for 1 month, make all your payments and see what the payments are, and just ensure that you're transferring enough money over to this account in order to cover those month's expenses. Whether you break it up, if you get paid every week or every other week, you put a certain chunk to pay off these expenses as they come due. You also have to pay your credit card off, so you do it from the bank app. Once you put the cash in there and you pay your credit card off. So it's a few steps, but once it's all set up, it's tiered, and I find it very helpful and very easy. It's in the end a few quick transfers, and in less than 5 minutes you have everything paid off. So I find this very helpful in my life, time saving wise, energy wise, stress wise. I love this method. So how do we automate some of these payments? How do we set it on recurring payments to our bank or to our credit card? What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to the website or app of your subscription service, your utility company, your mortgage company, your insurance company, whatever it is. You're gonna log into your account, and if you go to profile, manage profile, there should be an option for billing. Under billing, it should say recurring payments and have an option to set up recurring payments. With that, you're gonna select that option, you're gonna input your information, and within the next billing cycle, it usually starts. And so for a month or two, as you're setting this up, you wanna be vigilant. You don't wanna miss any payments. So that's how you set it up. I'd be happy to walk you through. If you're looking for some coaching on that, feel free to schedule some coaching below. And in the end, once everything is on a streamlined recurring services payment method on one credit card or on your bank account, what you're able to see is, what are my expenses? What are my monthly expenses that I'm paying for and I'm not actually using? So am I paying for Netflix and Hulu and I actually don't use Hulu? Okay, I'm gonna cancel it and save myself whatever payment that is. Am I paying for something I'm not using? Or am I paying for a premium on that subscription when I don't use it as much? Because there are certain levels of subscriptions, so you can decrease it. So I think that's very important in helping you see where you are and what are your expenses. It's just getting them all in one place. And we'll talk about using budgeting apps that link to all your credit cards and all your accounts in another video, because I find that as a helpful tool as well. This is one if you don't want to link to an external source, a third-party source. Once you're done automating your monthly payments and you're reviewing them, it will help you have some peace of mind and feel a certain type of control over your expenses, and that is certainly empowering. If you'd like any help with automating your monthly expenses, please feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to help you, and we'll get you on a good cycle and rolling. And just remember, you're not alone in this process. I'm here to walk you through, to assist you, and to give you some guidance from my own experiences. So feel free to reach out to us and book a session. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe below. And if you'd like to learn more or have some one-on-one coaching, please feel free to book online. If you would like to do some self-study, feel free to take one of the courses I have online. Everything is linked below and in my bio. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.